Welcome to this week's homework video, which is all about subtracting by counting on using our new friend Lily the Maths Frog. Lily's going to help us with this subtraction, 52 take away 47. We've got to find the difference between 52 and 47. To use this method to help us take away, the first thing that we need to do is draw a number line, which I have already done. Then we need to put the smaller number, in this case 47, at the beginning of the number line, and our target number, the larger number, at the other end. So 52 goes along here. Now, Lily helps us by taking jumps along the number line, but she always jumps first to the next 10. So the next 10 up from 47 is, of course, 50. How much did Lily have to jump to get from 47 to 50? Well, that is a jump of 3. And then from 50, she needs to get to 52. How many jumps will that be? It will be, well, one jump of 2. To get our final answer to the takeaway 52, takeaway 47, we need now to add up the jumps. 3 add 2 is 5. So 52 take away 47 is 5, because we know that 47 add 5 is 52. Let's try another one using Lily. So this time it's 93 subtract 65. Remember, we need to draw the number line, which I've already done. The lower number, the smaller number, goes at the beginning. So that's 65. We'll go down here. And our target number that we're jumping to is 93 and goes at the other end of the number line. So we start on 65. Remember, Lily always jumps to the next 10. The next 10 up from 65 is 70. The difference between 65 and 70 gives us our first jump. 65 and 5 go together to make 70. So her first jump is 70. Now, if you're feeling very confident, you might be able to see what the jump is from 70 to get to 93. But Lily quite likes to jump in nice round numbers, so she's going to take a jump of 10 next. A nice easy jump of 10 will bring her to 70, add 10, which we know is 80. Again, we still haven't reached our target number. She's got to take another jump. She should take another jump of 10, which will bring her to 90. She's almost at the target number, but not quite. She can't take another jump of 10, so she's going to go back to taking a jump in units. The difference between 90 and 93 gives us our jump. She needs to take a jump of 3 to get to our target number of 93. To get the final answer, remember that we need to add up her jumps. It's always easier to start with the larger numbers. So we're going to say 10 add 10 is 20, add 5 is 25, add 3 is 28, because 65 add 28 equals 93. Now it's your turn. Try the next 2 examples in your homework book, so pause the video now. Time to check your answers. Let's go through them together. So the first one, 64 subtract 36. We have the lower number at this end, the higher number, which is our target number, at this end. Lily takes her first jump to the next 10. The next 10 up from 36 is 40. The difference between 36 and 40 gives us the number of jumps. So 36 add 4 is 40. To get from 40 to 64, Lily is going to take jumps in tens. So 40, add 10 more is 50. 50, add 10 more is 60. If we take another jump of 10, we'll have gone too far, so she's now going to take a jump in units. 60, add 4 more is 64. To get our final answer, we need to add the total of the jumps. Start with the larger numbers. So 10, add 10 is 20, add 4 is 24, add another 4 is 28. 64, subtract 36 is 28. Give yourselves a big tick if you got that one correct. Next one, 83, subtract 49. Again, our smaller number is going at this end. Our larger number is going at this end. 49, she's going to take a jump to get to the next 10, which is, of course, 50. The difference between 49 and 50 is just 1. To get from 50 to 83, she's going to take jumps of 10s. So 50 add 10 is 60. Add another 10 is 70. Add another 10 is 80. She can't take another jump of 10, otherwise she'll have gone too far. This time, to get from 80 to 83, she just takes a jump of 3 units. Now, to get the final answer, we have to add the total of the jumps. Let's start with the 10s. 10, 20, 30, add 3 is 33, add another one is 34. 83, subtract 49 is 34. Give yourselves a tick if you got that one correct. Now let's have a think about why we would use Lily and this method for the takeaways that we've just done. Have a look at the examples and decide why this method was better than the others that we've learned this term. The clue is in the units. Have a look at the units in each takeaway to see if you can figure out why using Lily is a good idea. How do you feel about using Lily and this method to subtract? Remember to draw a smiley next to the LI, and we'll see you on Monday.